Namaste. Welcome everyone to day 12 of online storytelling series. Yesterday we completed edition 1 with a quiz which I hope you all enjoyed. Today we are starting edition 2 with our story on something very interesting. But before that we will do one song. कैट बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, कैट बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, क्या मैं मिल्क पीने आऊं? जस्ट चियाऊ चियाऊ, जस्ट चियाऊ, जस्ट चियाऊ चियाऊ, जस्ट चियाऊ. बिल्ली बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, बिल्ली बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, क्या मैं दूध पीने आऊं? जस्ट चियाऊ चियाऊ, जस्ट चियाऊ. Come on, do it with me. Just चियाऊ चियाऊ, just चियाऊ. कैट बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, कैट बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, क्या मैं रैट खाने आऊं? Just चियाऊ चियाऊ, just चियाऊ, just चियाऊ चियाऊ, just चियाऊ. बिल्ली बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, बिल्ली बोली म्याऊ म्याऊ, क्या मैं चूहा खाने आऊं? Just चियाऊ चियाऊ, just चियाऊ. Do it with me. Just चियाऊ चियाऊ, just चियाऊ. So, in our song, who all were there? Cat, एक बिल्ली थी. Rat, एक चूहा था. Milk, दूध भी था. What do you think our story of the day is going to be? Is it going to be on rat, cat, or milk? Come, let's read the story. Oh, so I thought our story is going to be on cat, rat, or milk. There's no book here. How are we going to read the story today? Dang da 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 dang. Woo! So the name of our story is I Am a Cat. Do you see cat here? What do you see on the page, on the cover picture? I see one girl, एक लड़की है, and there is one rat, एक चूहा है, एक और चूहा है, पर बिल्ली कहाँ है? कहानी का टाइटल है I am a cat. इस कहानी में क्या होगा? बिल्ली तो दिख ही नहीं रही. Come. Let's read the story and see where's the cat. This story is written by Rinchin and these illustrations are done by Jitendra Thakur. Published by Eklavya. So have you seen cat? आपने बिल्ली देखी है? बिल्ली क्या करती है? बिल्ली कैसे आवाज निकालती है? What's the sound of the cat? Meow, meow. और बिल्ली क्या करती है? हम देखते हैं इस कहानी में जहां बिल्ली नहीं दिख रही, उस कहानी में बिल्ली क्या करेगी? Let's see. Tinty opened her eyes, looked at the sky through the plastic sheet. I am a cat, she said, crawling to her mother. Meow, meow. I am a cat. No, you are not. You are my little girl, said her mother, tickling her. No, I am a cat, she said, wriggling away. See, टिंटी with her mother. टिंटी अपनी मम्मी को क्या कह रही है? मैं बिल्ली हूं. और मम्मी कहती हैं तुम मेरी छोटी बेटी हो, तुम बिल्ली नहीं हो. पर टिंटी नहीं मान रही. टिंटी, go and wash your face. I can't. Why? I am a cat. Then lick your face and body clean. That's what cats do. Trinity tried licking, but her hand tasted of salt and dust. Oh, I can't. Then you are only 3/4 a cat. Ah, said Trinity and crawled away. Look at Trinity trying to lick her hands, but it all tasted of salt and dust. Tinty, go, leave the baby at Ajji's house. No. Why? I am a cat. Then carry her in your mouth. That's how cats do. Tinty tried, but Nikam howled in her face and tried to scratch her. Oh, I can't. Then you are only half a cat. Ah, said Tinty and crawled away. Tinty, come rag picking. It's getting late. I can't. Why? I am a cat. Meow. Meow. Then hunt mice and frogs and what not. That's what cats do. Tinty tried, but she couldn't catch a thing. Mice were too clever. Oh, I can't. Then you are only 1/4 a cat. Oh, said Tinty and crawled away. The whole day, Tinty roamed the basti when the others were away. She went into Ajji's house and tried to take a roti. Wah! Run away! Go find your own food, you thief cat! Oh, said Tinty and ran away hungry. See? Look at Tinty here, she's sad. She's hungry and she couldn't get roti to eat. When the children came back, Tinty, come and play. No. Then she thought, cats can play. Wait, I'm coming! And Tinty ran to play. Tinty's running fast. She wants to play with her friends. In the evening, Tinty was waiting when her mother came back. Give me roti, she said, as her mother sat to make them. No. Why? Because you are a cat. eat dead mice like cats do. Oh, I can't, whined Tinty, making a face. Then you are? Zero cat, shouted Tinty. I am not a cat at all. I am your little girl, Tinty. She ran and hugged her mother and ate the chapatis in 4 gulps, just like a cat. Look at Tinty and her mother. So this was the story of a girl named Tinty who believed that she was a cat, and later you know what happened in the story. Now we will do an art activity, but before that, let's see what all happened in this story. So first, Tinty's mother told her what to do? Lick the hands, because that's what cats do. And then what her mother said? Yes, to take the baby in her mouth, because that's how cats carry things. Third, when she was hungry, what her mother said? Go hunt frogs and mouse and what not, because that's what cats eat. And then what her mother said? Eat dead mice if you are hungry. That's what cats eat. But later, Tinty realized that she's a zero cat. She's little Tinty of her mother. Yes. So now we will do art activity on this book. Can you think what we are going to make today? Yes, we are going to make a cat. So we are going to make cat today. And in order to make cat, we need scissors, Fevicol, pencil, markers. If you don't have marker, it's fine. You can use crayons also. And we need a sheet. So instead of taking a fresh sheet, I'm using old sheet. So you will see it's old calendar that I'm using. You can even take magazine, cardboard box, anything to make the cat. So first what we will do, we will fold this sheet into half. Right? Once you are done folding your sheet into half, we are going to trace body of the cat. So where the top is, this is going to be the folded part is going to be the top of the standing cat, and this part is going to be the base. So I'm going to draw from the part from where I have folded. So depending upon the length, you can make your cat bigger or smaller. This is going to be the base of the cat, right? Now in the remaining sheet, I'm making a big circle. This is going to be the face of the cat. This is ear of the cat. So I'm making one because when I cut it, these are, it will come out 2. So ears of the cat, and then tail of the cat. So these are the outlines which I have made. Now I am going to cut it. So don't cut this part because this is going to be the folding part. So don't cut this part and keep it here. Now I'm cutting the face. So face we don't need two. So I had lifted one part of the sheet. So just try, see it. If it's smaller, I think it is smaller for the size of the body that I've taken. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger. So I'm keeping this aside and I'm going to make a bigger face. Yes, this looks fine. Now I'll just see if these ears are smaller or bigger. So I'm making it little. I'm extending it little bit since we have made a new face. And anyway, once you will cut it and you paste it on the cat, you can again make it smaller once you cut it and just see the size, and you can again shorten this. I think this is fine. So now we are going to cut tail. Similarly with the tail, I'm just going to lift it and see if it's appropriate, the size. I think it's fine. So I will cut the tail now. So we have this as the body of cat, face of cat, tail, ears, and eyes and whiskers and all we will make now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give outline to the body like how you see here, like this, and since we have one line here, so I'm going to make right, just give outline to the main body. और आउटलाइन करने के बाद इसमें इस तरीके से लाइन खींचनी है तो खींच दीजिए, जरूरी नहीं है, आप अपने हिसाब से भी अपनी कैट को डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. फिर इसको हम आउटलाइन देंगे. फिर हम कैट की बॉडी की आउटलाइनिंग करेंगे. टेल पे आउटलाइनिंग उस साइड है तो हम सिर्फ इस साइड पे. नाउ वी विल ऐड डिटेल्स टू आवर कैट्स फेस. सो मेक 2 eyes. Make a nose. And now we'll make whiskers. So I am using the colors. You can even use sheets for all of this, right? So it's up to you how you want to decorate your cat. Now I'm going to attach ears to the cat's face. So put Fevicol on the front side only. Little bit of Fevicol. And lift the face. Similarly, here also on the front. Tilt it little bit. Now we are going to attach cat's face. And now again here also put फेविकॉल on the front side. आगे की तरफ फेविकॉल को लगाएं और पीछे वाले पार्ट पे, ये जो पीछे है इस वाले पार्ट पर जोड़ दें. तो ये हो गई हमारी बिल्ली तैयार. So our cat is ready and our cat is asking question. What are you saying? Yeah, tell me. Okay. She is asking कहानी कैसी लगी? मियाओ. अगर कहानी अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you so much.